Hello everyone, hope you're all good and hope you're all safe. So we all know that right now we are looking at the topic what all changes happens to our body as we age, right? This will be the last video related to that topic. And in this video, we will be looking at the changes that will happen to our teeth, to our skin as well as to our weight as we age. Now let's start. So what do you think will happen to our teeth as we age? Well, as we age, our gums back away from the teeth, and this process is called gum recession. So gum recession is a process in which the the margin of the gum tissues that surrounds the teeth, it wears away, and this exposes more parts of the tooth or the tooth's root. This process is called gum recession. Now, certain medications such as the ones that treat asthma, allergies, high blood pressure, that is hypertension, or high cholesterol, these all can cause dry mouth. Dry mouth. As a result, the teeth as well as the gums, they will become more vulnerable to decay and infection. Now let's look at some tips to promote oral health. Well, first is basic, that is brush and floss your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss between your teeth, clean between your teeth with using dental floss, and go to your dentist for regular checkups. Now let's look at some tips to prevent gum recession. First of all, brush your teeth gently, because some people they tend to brush their teeth very aggressively because they think that brushing their teeth harder is better, but it's not, because this can make the enamel of the teeth to wear away, as well as it can cause gum recession. Secondly, quit tobacco products, because using like smoking etc, they leave a sticky plaque residue on your enamel which is very difficult to remove, so this can also cause gum recession. Next is stop piercing your lips, your tongue, etc, as it can irritate your gum as well as your gum tissues and again causing gum recession. So these are some tips to promote oral health as well as to prevent gum recession. Now let's look at what happens to our skin as we age. So just recall what all you have noticed about old people, their face, what all happens. Well, that's right, they will have wrinkles on their faces. Their skin will be very slack. Slack means loose. The skin will be very loose. It will hang loosely. So what happens to our skin as we age is, it becomes slack, that is, it becomes loose. And why is that? Well, that is because of the loss of elastic tissues in your skin. So the skin will tend to hang loosely. Next is the skin will become transparent, and that is because of the thinning of the epidermis of the skin. Now what is epidermis? Well, epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. So the skin also has layer, and the outermost layer of the skin is the epidermis. And lastly, the skin as you age, you will get easily bruised. The skin will get easily bruised, and that is because of the thin walls of the blood vessels. Okay, so the thin blood vessel walls. So this blood vessel walls is are the ones that make the tubular channel for the blood to flow. So the blood vessels have three walls. So that is because of the thin walls of the blood vessels. As you age, the thin walls of the blood vessels, because of that you will easily get bruised. Your skin will easily get bruised. Now let's look at some tips to promote healthy skin. Well, these are basic tips, that is, if you think that your skin is very dry, use moisturizer. Whenever you're going out, wear protective clothes, because because do not expose your skin to the UV rays of the sun, as it can harm your skin. Also quit smoking, because smoking contributes to skin damage such as wrinkling. Now let's look what happens to our weight as we age. So as we age, how our body burns calories, it slows down. So this can be called as metabolism, and metabolism is basically it's a very complex chemical process that happens in our body and that our body does for normal functioning as well as for sustaining life. So this burning of calories can come under metabolism. Okay, so this slows down. Now if you reduce the number of exercises that you do in a day and you eat normally how much you eat, only that much you eat, you will gain weight. And why is that you gain weight? Okay, so that is because of slow burning of the calories in your body. Okay, so in order for that you have to maintain a healthy weight. Now let's look at some tips for that. First of all, include physical activities in your daily routine. Do exercises. Secondly, eat a healthy diet. Eat lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, whole grains, high fiber foods, and limit foods that are high in saturated fat as well as salt. So these were the tips to maintain a healthy weight as well as healthy skin as well as to promote oral health. So hope you all are safe and hope you all are staying home. Thank you and bye.